Mayroon kong pare, pinadalan ko siya ng joke. Aba, nag-respond siya, "Lol." Hindi ko alam yung, "Lol." Ang bira naman, pinatawa ko na't lahat. Lol pa ako. Kala ko ulol, parang ganun. I took offense. Sabi ko, only to find out, LOL pala means laughing out loud. Akala ko, ang sama pa ng response niya sa akin, pinasaya ko na nga siya. Again, judgmental. That is a very simple incident when we are reminded, hey, how do you look at people? Ang daling mag-judge eh. God, please give us a humble heart, never to judge, never to think of ourselves better, holier than others, more worthy than others. That's for the Lord to decide, not for us.